Hello, students. We will start today with the new chapter Living Organisms and Their Surroundings. Now, you know that is organism are different types, and as a result of which they live in different environments. Say for example, we can take an example of camel, and also we can take the example of mountain goat and yak. Are they same? No, they are totally different animals, because the feature, the food pattern, the climate, the environment where they live are totally different from each other. Camel live in a dry desert. On the other hand, a mountainous goat living in a high mountain. Again, if you think of a crab, they are living in a beach. So if you take a, say, red crab from the sea beach to a desert, will it survive? No. Similarly, if you take the camel from desert to the mountain, will the camel survive? No. The similar example also we can see the fishes. They are typically water animal. So if you take the fishes from water and if you put them on the land, will they survive? No. So the every animal has got different places to live, and every animal is adjusted in living in that condition. So here comes the concept of habitat. So what is habitat? It is the place where an organism lives, and also it is a sum total of various ecological functions. Basically, we can see the plants and the animals are living in three types of habitat: aquatic habitat, terrestrial habitat, and aerial habitat. Mainly, we will study about the aquatic and terrestrial habitat. So, generally, we have two types of habitats. Generally, we will study. First one is the terrestrial one, and the second one is the aquatic one. Now comes to the question, what is the terrestrial habitat? That means the habitat which is on the land. And aquatic means the habitat which is in the water. So, what are the types of aquatic habitat? Pond, swamp, lake, river, ocean. Those environment which contains water, to be in the simple form. Now, definitely, water means some are saline water, some are fresh water. Say, for example, the pond water and the sea water, are they similar? Are they alike? No, both are water. So, both are categorized under the category of aquatic habitat, but nature wise, they are not similar. Similarly, the terrestrial habitat are also classified into following categories. These are forest, grassland, desert, coastal region, and mountainous region. All are within the land, but neither of them are similar with one another.